The correct answer for question number 4 is option number 2. Let's see. It says 3 small pipes and 1 large pipe are filling a tank. So there is 3 small pipe and there is a 1 large pipe. So 1 large pipe and 1 small, small and small. Each of the 3 small pipe works at 2/3 the rate of the large pump. Okay, 2/3 of the large pump. So let's say large pump is filling 3 units. Okay, assume, let's say if it is they are filling 3 units or they are doing 3 units of work in an hour. So in the same amount of time, the small pump will do 2, 2 and 2. Yes or no? Now it says if all 4 pumps work at the same time. So if all of the 4 pumps are working together at the same time, they will be doing how many units? They will be doing 9 units of work. All of them are there. Then they should fill the tank in what fraction of time that it would have taken the large pump. Okay, so large pump is actually filling 3 units in 1 hour, let's say. They are taking 3 units in 1 hour or any time slot here. So 3 units in 1 hour. So for 9 units together, they will take how much time? That is 3 by 9, which is 1/3. So the answer is option number B. Because it says if all 4 pumps work at the same time, then they should fill the tank in what fraction of time? Okay? So I can say for 3 units, the time taken is T. So for 9 units, if all of them are there, so that will be time taken will become 1/3, because that time is always inversely proportional to the rate of work. Is that clear to all of you? Can I move ahead? Please respond. Asna, Sandeep, Tushar, Mayank. Okay. And let's go for the last question.